Have you heard the news? Neuralink just got the thumbs up for second human implant trial. This is a giant leap forward, not just for science, but for millions of people struggling with paralysis and other conditions. Imagine the possibilities. In a world hurtling towards technological singularity, few innovations are as captivating and potentially transformative as Neuralink. Founded by the enigmatic Elon Musk, Neuralink is dedicated to developing brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. These interfaces are designed to bridge the gap between the human mind and digital realms. At its core, Neuralink aims to enhance our abilities, treat neurological conditions, and eventually even merge human consciousness with artificial intelligence. The company's journey has been marked by both breakthroughs and setbacks, navigating the complex landscape of scientific innovation and regulatory hurdles. From its inception, Neuralink has been at the forefront of public discourse, attracting both fervent supporters and cautious skeptics. Its mission is as ambitious as it is controversial, raising profound ethical and philosophical questions about the future of humanity. As we stand at the cusp of this new era, understanding Neuralink's progress becomes crucial. There are a lot of useful information to cover, so please support me by subscribe and like the video, and let's continue. Neuralink's path to progress has been far from smooth. The company has faced intense scrutiny, particularly concerning its animal testing procedures. Early trials involving primates raised significant ethical concerns, leading to investigations and public criticism. Animal welfare groups questioned the necessity and ethical implications of using primates in such invasive experiments. Further adding to the scrutiny, Neuralink's initial application for human trials was met with resistance from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA. The FDA expressed reservations about the safety and efficacy of Neuralink's technology. Concerns were raised about the potential for the implanted chip to overheat, migrate within the brain, or cause damage to surrounding tissues. The regulatory hurdles underscored the immense challenges inherent in developing such groundbreaking technology. Despite these hurdles, Neuralink persevered. The company addressed the FDA's concerns by refining its surgical procedures, enhancing the chip's design, and conducting further safety tests. They emphasized the potential benefits of their technology, particularly for individuals with severe neurological conditions. Neuralink argued that the potential to restore lost function and improve the quality of life for patients outweighed the risks. The company's determination to push the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of BCIs remained unwavering. Neuralink's scientists and engineers continued to refine their technology, striving to create a device that was both safe and effective. The challenges they faced were formidable, but their commitment to their vision remained resolute. A pivotal moment in Neuralink's journey arrived with the granting of an investigational device exemption, or IDE, by the FDA. This exemption allowed Neuralink to proceed with carefully controlled human trials, marking a significant step towards realizing their ambitious goals. The IDE approval was a testament to the progress Neuralink had made in addressing safety concerns and demonstrating the potential benefits of their technology. The IDE approval came with stringent conditions, requiring Neuralink to adhere to rigorous safety protocols and data collection methods. The FDA emphasized the need for careful monitoring of trial participants, ensuring their well-being throughout the study. This cautious approach reflected the inherent risks associated with implanting a device into the human brain. Despite the limitations imposed by the IDE, it represented a crucial validation of Neuralink's efforts. The company could now begin to gather data from human subjects, providing invaluable insights into the efficacy and safety of their technology. This data would be essential for further development and refinement, ultimately leading to the creation of a commercially viable BCI. The IDE approval marked a turning point for Neuralink, shifting the company from the realm of theoretical possibility to tangible reality. The road ahead remained long and challenging, but the prospect of conducting human trials ignited a renewed sense of hope and excitement within the scientific community and among those who stood to benefit from this groundbreaking technology. In May 2023, Neuralink achieved a monumental milestone-full FDA approval for their first human trial. This marked a watershed moment not just for the company, but for the entire field of BCIs. The approval signified the FDA's confidence in the safety and potential of Neuralink's technology, paving the way for a new era of human augmentation and medical treatment. The approval process was rigorous and demanding. Neuralink had to provide comprehensive evidence of their device's safety, efficacy, and manufacturing standards. They conducted extensive preclinical testing, refined their surgical procedures, and addressed all concerns raised by the FDA. The approval was a testament to the company's unwavering commitment to scientific rigor and patient safety. The implications of this approval were far-reaching. It opened the door for Neuralink to begin recruiting and implanting their device in human volunteers. This would allow them to gather real-world data on the device's performance, its impact on patients' lives, and its potential to treat a wide range of neurological conditions. The trial was designed to assess both the safety and the efficacy of the device, providing crucial insights for future development. The FDA's green light signaled a paradigm shift in how we view the interface between technology and the human brain. Neuralink's technology held the promise of revolutionizing medicine, enhancing human capabilities, and ultimately blurring the lines between man and machine. The journey had just begun, but the future seemed ripe with possibilities. At the heart of Neuralink's first human trial was Noland, a young man whose life took an unexpected turn. A tragic accident left Noland paralyzed, robbing him of his mobility and independence. He became the first human to receive a Neuralink implant, embarking on a journey filled with both hope and uncertainty. Noland's decision to participate in the trial was driven by a desire to regain control over his body. The prospect of using his thoughts to interact with the world, bypassing his physical limitations, was a beacon of hope in the face of adversity. His courage and willingness to push the boundaries of medical innovation made him a pioneer in the truest sense of the word. The initial results of Noland's trial were promising. He was able to control a computer cursor with his mind, demonstrating the potential of the Neuralink device to restore lost function. The world watched in awe as Noland navigated a digital environment using only his thoughts, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the resilience of the human spirit. However, Noland's journey was not without its challenges. The implant required extensive calibration and adaptation, demanding patience and perseverance. There were setbacks and moments of frustration, underscoring the complexities of integrating technology with the human brain. Noland's experience served as a powerful reminder that the path to progress is rarely linear, often marked by both triumphs and tribulations. While Noland's story unfolded, Neuralink continued to push the boundaries of innovation. Their next leap forward was the development of the telepathy device, a next-generation BCI with even greater capabilities. Telepathy aimed to go beyond basic device control, enabling direct communication between minds. The concept of telepathy has long captivated the human imagination, fueling countless science fiction narratives. Neuralink's telepathy device aimed to bring this once fantastical concept into the realm of reality. By decoding and transmitting neural signals, the device promised to allow individuals to share thoughts, emotions, and even sensory experiences with unprecedented clarity and immediacy. The development of telepathy represented a bold step forward for Neuralink. It signaled a shift from restoring lost function to enhancing human capabilities, blurring the lines between biological and technological realms. The implications of this technology were profound, raising questions about the nature of communication, privacy, and the very essence of human consciousness. Telepathy was still in its early stages of development, requiring extensive testing and refinement. However, its potential to revolutionize human interaction, foster deeper understanding, and unlock new avenues for creativity and collaboration was undeniable. Neuralink's pursuit of telepathy underscored their ambition to not just repair, but to transcend the limitations of the human experience. Building on the lessons learned from Noland's experience and the advancements embodied in the telepathy device, Neuralink embarked on a crucial next step, a second human trial. This trial was designed to further evaluate the safety and efficacy of their technology, focusing on the enhanced capabilities of the telepathy device. The second trial aimed to recruit a diverse group of participants, including individuals with a range of neurological conditions. This would allow Neuralink to gather data on the device's performance across different patient profiles, providing insights into its adaptability and potential applications. The trial was also designed to assess the feasibility of telepathic communication, exploring its potential benefits and limitations. The significance of this second trial cannot be overstated. It represented a pivotal moment in Neuralink's journey, marking a transition from proof of concept to real-world application. The success of this trial would be crucial for securing further funding, attracting wider public acceptance, and paving the way for the eventual commercialization of their technology. The world watched with bated breath as Neuralink embarked on this defining chapter. The stakes were high, the potential immense, and the implications for the future of humanity profound. The second trial held the key to unlocking a new era of human-machine symbiosis, where technology could enhance our abilities, expand our horizons, and perhaps even redefine the very essence of what it means to be human.